Going to do lesson 5.4 electrical current. Page 78 and 79 of our book. Our objective is to know how electric current flows. Just imagine, without electricity, what would be our life? It lights a planet after sunset. We use electricity to run our home appliances like AC, fan, heater, etc. We cannot see electricity, but we can observe its effects. Here we have 3 questions. We will discuss them one by one. Question number 1. What happens to the fan when it is plugged in and switched on? We can see the picture of fan here. So what will happen? When it's plugged in and switched on, blades will turn and the fan will work. Now question number 2. Where does the electricity come from to make the fan work? Answer. Electricity come from the main supply, where the wall plug. Question number 3. Describe how the electricity gets from its source to the fan. Answer. It is supplied through the electrical cables to the home and then through circuit in the walls to the device itself. Now, I have another diagram to discuss with you to know how the flow of electricity through the circuit. So I will draw it here and I will show you the model. We will discuss here. I will explain the circuit here. This is battery, positive, negative. Okay. Bulb holder, bulb, yes, here, and wire is connected to the here, okay. Okay, switch, wire, bulb holder, bulb. Okay, now here I have a model. So children, let us explore the model and learn about circuit. Again, I will discuss here. It's a switch, battery, bulb holder, bulb, wire. So here what we will see that we have two types of circuits, closed circuit and open circuit. See here the white wire which is connected to the battery and directly goes to the bulb, and here orange wire which is also connected to the battery and directly goes to the switch, and then from the switch directly goes to the bulb. Now we observe the changes as soon as I switch on. The bulb glows, which means the current passes to the bulb and bulb glows. This type of circuit is called closed circuit. As soon as we switch off, which means we break the circuit, and current is not flowing to bulb, so that bulb will not glow. This is called open type circuit. Now we will discuss flow of electric current with the help of a diagram. Here we assume an electric current flows as a tiny particles called electrons through the wire. You can see here. So electric current with the help of diagram is over here. This is the wire which we assume as a wire, and electric current flows as a tiny particle called electrons through the wire. Around the circuit, look at the diagram. Current flows from the battery around the circuit. Here we will draw a diagram to show how electrical current flows around a circuit in a continuous loop. This is positive, negative, battery. We can show how electric current is flowing. Okay, the circuit is a loop. We know that the circuit is a loop, and the current travels around the circuit continuously until we break the circuit. So here we are showing that means that current flows from the battery flows from the battery around the circuit and back to the battery. I can show here how electrical current flows around a circuit in a continuous loop. Yes, like this. Okay. Okay, let us finish it. It's going to finish now. Yes, like this. Over here, like this. Very thin. Over here, like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, done. Almost done. So again, okay, done. Okay, this will be like this, showing over here flow of current. Okay. Here, like this. It's okay, done. Okay, so it's the current, lamp, so it shows the electrical current flows around the circuit in a continuous loop. So here we conclude today's lesson and we'll meet again with next lesson.